So as you can see this very shiny soap, and it's a small version, but a little goes a long way. Some men like to use bar soap to shave their skin, so this is a really luxurious soap for acne prone, for eczema prone skin. It has a mild exfoliant with rose petals, lavender, and coconut oil. And they're very hard and sturdy, as you can see, and they're very beautiful. And this is a larger version, and this is the lavender rose as well. And soap, we made it, it's slightly reflective, and we made it with the African black soap. It's a very, very luxurious, rich bar soap that is made to last a long time, and they're not your typical soap you can get from big box retailers, because we made it by hand and in very limited quantities only. So order fast today if you can. We ship internationally if you're interested, and we cannot promise how long we'll have it available for, because it's a very limited quantity only, and we made it all by hand. So yeah, enjoy. And every single bar soap will have a different appearance. So yeah, order fast today. We'll be listing more detailed product information at the link below. And please stay safe and wash your hands. Stay safe and healthy, and wash your hands often. And hope these bar soap can inspire you to enjoy the clean hand process a little bit more. A little bit of a fragrance oil, it makes your day like a lot more amazing. If you're a clean freak like me, because I clean my hands like all the time, and these are, I'm super germophobic as well, so these soap is going to be your best friend, because you're going to use it every single day. You want to order more every single day, because you'll use them up very frequently if you love to wash your hands as much as I do. And they're very, very nourishing, and it's a luxurious experience. So yeah, and order fast today and enjoy your shopping today at our online shopping link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Setting where, you know, we do it to make it for ourselves as well. And if you're a customer, comment down below if you like some of these, and we can put these on sale. But we're doing it in very limited quantity, as you may know. You could tell that it's very beautiful, shiny. And we have an online shop that sells wellness products, apparel mostly. But we're expanding our collection onto other products as well. And this is a very beautiful soap, only available in limited quantity. So order fast while you still can, because we cannot guarantee if these will still be available a year from now or whatever, because there may be changes. So then this is another one. Look at that, it's so beautiful. This is so pretty. It's like a sakura petals. And then oh, one more. So we got one more left, and it's the last one. It's so beautiful. We have some rose petals as well as the lavender on top. So yeah, so this is gonna be just amazing every day when you use them, because now with COVID everything, we have to wash our hands all the time. So we're making these bar soaps so people can enjoy better this soap to unmold. This is the most fun part. This is a lavender. We use a jelly cup mold, and then this is like a lavender bar soap. It smells super crazy amazing, and this is gonna be very moisturizing, and hope that you guys will enjoy and potentially make a purchase at our online shop. So there, we made like 2 of them. So we're gonna pop this out. It's really stuck in there, but once it pops out, it's no problem. Oh, this looks a little bit different, like this. So every single bar soap is different. So that one had a little more coverage, but this one is more like, we kind of chipped on the side. So I might just save it for self-use, because it doesn't look perfect. So, but then it has this on here that is like just for garnishing, and it's so pretty. It smells amazing, crazy good. So yeah, so that concludes our product showcase, and we'll be selling these products at our online shop. So order fast while you still can, because we only have very limited quantities. and hope you guys will enjoy watching this video and give you more close up on the product itself. So this is like the lavender African dark soap for hands with eczema, prone skin, itchiness, because they are naturally made. We made it with rose, we grinded the rose petals as well as the lavender buds, and then we put it in, and we also coconut oil, and then we added a lot of essential oil, English lavender essential oil into these bar soap. So yeah, so keep watching and place an order with us today if you're interested, and hope you guys will enjoy this video and enjoy washing your hands gently with these artisan bar soaps, limited quantities only. So order down below at the link below, and we'll have a lot of candles available as well. Why we're doing this is because we lived in Seattle, and Seattle is all about the lavender soap and like lavender products at Pike Place Market, because we used to live right next to it. So we're very inspired to bring this little bit of Seattle into Hong Kong and all over the world. And these can last potentially from 6 to 12 months and keep it in a dim, cold area. But of course, we recommend that you use them immediately if you can. So enjoy watching today, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Not like the. So now comes the exciting part. One night just passed, and we can see there's some bubbles on it, but it will be okay because we're just doing this experimentally, and your final products won't look like this. So we're unpopping these, and they're hardened a lot more now that it's been overnight. And there's a little bit of residue because we added the lavender bits. And we're learning a lot as we go. As you can see, they look really amazing. Shiny, like perfect soaps, and has like a exfoliating ability for eczema related skin type. We cannot say that it will cure it, but it will be more suitable for people suffering from eczema than to use then, because we're making our own, because we have an eczema issue. So it's very shiny, beautiful, very almost like effortless bar soap. It's so professional, and we're very proud of ourselves. And this is an African dark soap material that is natural. Doesn't have a lot of nasty stuff that typical soap base has. So we're trying this out in the kitchen and then see how that will go. So we're gonna pop all these things out, and probably maybe use a kitchen towel so you can see it better. Put it on a kitchen towel, so you can see how it will look like for the skin. Popping it out. Has a bubble, but it will be the back, and this is the front. And it smells amazing because these are